Hey guys, last video, you might have seen, might have not yet. Don't worry, it's just slime. Not finished, but it's just sitting in my room. Do you want to go show it?
Yeah, we can, right.
But do not get anything on this, because this is new.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're right. So here it is. I don't think you can see. There. It's just fluffy slime.
Yeah.
Our shimming cream wasn't working, so yeah.
Yeah, that's why there's so many bubbles.
No, and it is already. There's so many bubbles. No.
I just want to poke my...
Down.
I just want to poke my fingers through.
Right.
By the way, I am joined by Natalia.
So today we will be playing the game Adopt Me. So could you
I need to find Adopt Me, so yeah.
yeah. I've played it, I think, on... No. There. That's it.
Okay.
3.
Adopt Me the future.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go.
Takes 5. My takes
I know.
longer.
I know, my one goes quite quick.
Oh.
So, you'll be the baby, I'll be the parent. But yeah, I'll invite you to my family. Because baby can't invite somebody to their family, can they?
No, they
You need responsibility.
I know. They're like, please adopt me.
I thought you said, please adult me. Or like, I thought you were going to say that. Right.
I want slime.
No.
I want to touch it.
No.
I want...
No!
I want the ball.
I'm in, I think. Yes. Okay. So I'll
Load
be a
and
parent.
connect.
Leaving. I know I'm gonna be. I've got my house. Have you got your house or no?
No, I don't have a house.
I don't want a supercar. Oh yeah, guys, I like
Updates. New future house. New
I'll show you my
furniture.
So
and
guys,
large donuts are.
guys, this is how my house looks a bit. I don't think you can see it.
They can.
Yeah, that's how mine looks. And I'll show you. This is me right. Oh,
okay.
wait. This is me right now.
I can't get. This was a live stream.
What is it? How do you do it?
I don't know. I can't get off. I don't see anything.
I just pressed.
There's no play here.
Undo that. Press that.
There's nothing. I'm gonna press that again.
Maybe we'll leave. Don't leave. Yeah, we'll leave. Sorry, guys. We have to leave.
Yeah, this is gonna take forever.
Again.
Yes.
I'm just gonna join the game.
Leave it. I did.
Now you did.
Okay, I'm joining because mine's gonna take forever.
I already joined. See, my one always says play at the bottom.
But not mine.
Right, we'll see. So there's new furniture house. Future house, sorry. New
fashionable furniture.
Legendary donut circle found in gifts. Donut. Oh wait, you're joining.
I know.
Oh, sorry.
Almost clicked, baby.
I know, but you can change anyway. Unlock Legend Royal thingies. No thanks.
Let's see.
Pick your favorite color. Done. See, it does work.
Now it does.
A baby. Right.
We come under.
Oh my.
Welcome to me. Nah, I played this.
You need to, because you're girls. Obviously, you're not gonna be a boy, are you?
There are thousands of outfits to choose from.
Not true. I just checked. There's like 50 or something. Just come put some stylish on to put on, right? Baby.
Put on
Where?
baby outfit. Where?
That's. No, look. Wait, you have some there, Briss.
I want to change.
Don't be. You're a baby.
Yeah. You.
Right.
Okay, I have no idea what this is. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just.
There's 3. Those are faces. Yeah. There's some stuff here. So that's your face. You can change your face.
I don't know because I can't see.
True.
Wait,
Wait, I'll check mine.
Oh, that's the face I have. Oh yeah.
Yeah, so and that's your baby costume, what you have on.
Okay.
You can't buy wings.
I'm just going through.
No, do you know what? Wait, go back on that. I'll buy that because you have a hunting, so you can buy that as well. Which one do you want?
I don't want none of those. I want bubbles.
You want oh, sorry, you can't be. You can buy a skirt because you've got like you have a hunt. I'll try to find your house. I have unicorn wallpaper. Well, not right now because I love them. Yeah, you have some cool clothes, but you're a baby.
I know.
You're a big fat baby.
Oh.
You're a big fat baby.
Wait, are these all three?
Yeah,
I'll take this one.
but you need to delete your old hair there. It was the same hair as me, but it isn't.
Took off no hair.
You're just gonna be bald. Yeah, because you've got cat ears. That's all. I'm keep on trying to find your house.
Okay, I think we're gonna go off screen.
Off screen.
Hiding.
Okay.
So.
Right.
It's
yeah, because it goes after your mouth sometimes.
Okay.
See, when you're done,
Yeah. That I was about to say that's not blue.
can you show me, like, come out and show me where your house is? Because I'm not just. I don't want it for a while. I'm not going to.
Why? Okay, definitely not the hat because you can't even see it.
What hat did you want? Yeah, you can. Like, just take off your cat ears. Oh, your hair is too big.
Yeah.
It's only for boys. Legit.
Oh yeah, I got
a cat.
bucks. Yay.
Same.
Yay. I got more money than you.
Yeah, because I wasted my own house. Is this your house? Like, yay, found it! Finally. I'm coming.
Finally!
No, this is my house!
I'm Natalia Ryskowska.
I'm Natalia Players. Wait, what's my name? Blazer or something. I don't know.
Natalia plays.
Yeah, I don't know. I just wrote whatever.
I think I'm good. But
Yeah.
okay, I think I'm good. I wanna. Wow, beautiful. Oh
Right, go when you come out. Go to the exit because right now you're standing in your house, Drew. Don't. Right at the house.
Right at house.
That means you cannot.
Whoa.
No, why is everybody?
Whoa.
Hi, baby. Bye, baby.
I think get this one. Keep wallpaper. Now let's do floor.
Yeah, no, that's not a floor. That's
yes, it is. I'm on floor.
Ha! How? I'm going back. I want a unicorn floor. I want a unicorn floor.
Stuff.
Right where my
baby house. Stuff.
Where's my house?
The few.
Where's my house?
Oh my god, look at the furniture.
I know. Why do you think it's called?
This is the from the future.
Oh my god.
Okay. Let's
where on earth is my house? Is this my house? Seriously? Is this my house? Yep.
I want. Wait.
Sell. Yeah, you can sell it.
Sell this.
You can.
Well, wait for $0.
I know, cause you got it for free. I'm going to my floors.
I need to change how this looks.
Where did you find the unicorn? Where did you find the unicorn?
On floors.
I'm on the floor.
That looks a bit trippy.
But who cares?
Look, the bed is sideways.
I know, if you don't do it correctly, it is sideways.
I'm baby. I need help.
I've got a crib for you.
I want to sleep in my house though.
But you'll be adopted, so too bad.
I'm still gonna be coming back to my house.
Yeah, I never said you won't. I'm changing the color. I'm changing it to green. I've changed it to green.
Also,
Can I change it? I'm changing my color.
Yellow.
Orange.
Yellow floor. That's gonna be
That's
nice.
yellow, people.
No. Okay. I think I'm gonna stop editing.
What's E for? Oh, okay, I get it then.
So yeah.
Right, I go to the exit.
I can. Oh, I need to open my door.
Yeah, what
How can I reach it? Ready to
get
be adopted?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to the nursery. They expect me to drive.
Nah. You go to the nursery, I'll go to the exit, which is that. Wait, you're on the exit, right?
Yeah.
Stay there, please stay there. You'll get adopted before. Really? I said stay there.
I don't. Yeah.
No, I will not pay you $5. Somebody just asked me, will you pay?
You are at 32.
33 to be honest.
Oh yeah, to be honest.
I have a stroller. You don't have anything. Wait, yeah, you do have.
That's it.
Yeah, go in your backpack.
So my mouse.
Go in your backpack.
I have nothing except stroller. For myself.
Wait. I'm coming now.
This is you.
No, it's Emma.
Welcome to the nursery.
I see you. Do you
This
see
is
me?
where you get adopted. Yes, you're right here.
Accept, that's me. Yeah.
So, this is me.
And right now don't leave family. Now I'm legit holding you, so don't worry. Wait, I'll get a stroller.
Oh, I'll get one.
No, because then you'll legit be holding a stroller.
I know.
Ah, where's the
Take
door?
me home.
Okay, to my house first. Because I've got a lot of baby stuff you can play with.
Family house. 2 plus. No thanks. I'm not gonna do that.
Now basically...
Oh.
What the? There were just 2 wheels there.
I know.
No. This is to our house. Well, my house. I don't think you know where we're going to even tell your scuff.
Now you can change.
Can I?
Yes.
How?
I don't know, but I saw someone do it, but I forgot.
Right, sorry, I have to take her up. I'm gonna pick you up. Well, let's go to my house.
Is that really your house?
It's tiny, but I know. You can
Wait, what does it say?
I love babies.
Oh, I thought it says I love boys.
Why?
Oh, I want to go to sleep because I'm tired.
Now
I
you
need
some
to sleep. Oh, look,
I gotta sleep as well. I'm sleeping.
I have no idea what this means.
It's sleep.
You need to sleep.
Yeah,
Find
you're
a
sleeping right
crib
now.
in your house or the nursery to get some rent.
See, now you're
Yeah,
awake.
I got $7.
I know, because you're now asleep. Awake.
May you get off my bed and get on your bed? I'll take the slime bucket.
Right, where do you want to go? Do you want to play?
I want to go to the park.
Wait, I'll see where you need. For now, you don't need to go anywhere. Because...
It's nighttime. Go back to your house.
I don't want to. Do you want to stay a baby? Do you see something, like, coming out of me?
Yes.
Because I bite it. Wee.
Can we just go back home?
Let's first go to the donut shop. To the food shop, yeah?
Do you know where that even is?
Yes, I do know.
And I'm supposed to be drinking milk.
Yeah, I'll give you milk. I'll buy you milk. I'll buy you everything. Well, not everything, but you get it.
I have more dollars than you.
True. By the way, we're in Edinburgh. Buna. What's a Buna? Hello.
Banana.
It's Buna, not Bunana.
Banana. Banana. Banana.
We'll probably have to do a part to do this because, like, in a minute we have to stop filming. So
yeah, guys, I think we're gonna end it here actually.
So
goodbye. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you hit that like button, and goodbye.
bye.